Hello, Peter Lenarczyk from Elprotronic here. I would like to present to you our GangPro multi-target programming of combined two targets microcontrollers with single external flash memory each. There will be shown programming procedure of external flash only. The hardware configuration consists of GangPro programmer, appropriate signal splitter, two microcontrollers, MCUs and two corresponding external flashes, EFs. Firstly, please select microcontroller, which is STM32H7 device. Secondly, select proper microcontroller and external flash voltage. Currently, there is chosen configuration of programmer's internal power supply. Please note that both devices could require separate voltages. Thirdly, choose target devices connected in numbered slots of hardware signal splitter. Next, please set programming and debugging interface settings. Hardware signal splitter possesses switch for selecting either JTAG or SWD communication interface. Also, one can set custom interface speed suitable for hardware connection quality. Then verify hardware connection to MCU targets by software with a Verify Access button. Accordingly, please select external flash device connected to MCU. Configuration must consist of communication type, speed and used MCU pins. Then provide custom external flash base address for memory reading purposes. Setting of custom extension for codefile's file name simplifies your codefile's handling. Moreover, there is possibility for codefile specific interpretation of base address. One of vital checks is proper setting of memory options. At this point, there is no data selected from opened codefile. In Memory Options dialog, currently selected flash memory checkbox applies to MCU memory only. There will be chosen data used by the codefile. Please note that codefile could possess both MCU and EF data. Finally, one can read whole MCU and EF memory spaces. It is considered as manual check. Area read by programmer is configured in Memory Options dialog previously. Reading 6th target external flash device area concludes this tutorial. Please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.